So first of all, thanks for all the organization for and giving the opportunity for me and all the speakers like Amin and uh, Tanya about the great lectures. So today I am going to some deliver about the how the adaptive cards are useful in the power automates and what is the business scenario which we are facing in my one of the projects. So I will show the demo with the business scenario. Before that, first, this is my quick introduction. I am working as a modern workplace architecture in the India, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and I have 15 years experience in the Power Platform, SharePoint, ASP.NET, and SQL Server. And this is my LinkedIn profile. So yeah, this is my quick introduction, and I'm going to start the today's agenda. So today's agenda is, adaptive cards, create adaptive cards and send to the teams the in channels for the messaging or the something broadcast or something. So we can use the adaptive cards and how we can post it is a Microsoft provide the Power Automate for that. So and I will set the basics. So what is the adaptive card? Adaptive card. We can a simple card that not require too much coding in anything. It is just a JSON supported. Lots of samples are available, and it will not require a CSR or HTML something. Just and it will convert that JSON into the simple UI. So this is the basic. Not too much coding required, not complex CSS required, and we can create for that. Yeah, that is what is the adaptive card? And the like this is a sample. We can create there is a Microsoft provide the adaptive card.io designer tools also, so we can create a configure and it will when it is a have a capability to convert in the simple card, like this is my temperature card, and it is looks like this in this and it will available for the client, teams. So convert JSON format to the simple card. So this is the basic scenario, and suppose you need to predict the weather about today's weather. So every day you can post the cards today, like this is the temperature today. There is another scenario. There is some team you have, and you need to post a birthday card to them every morning. So you can create a workflow. It will fire every day morning and pick the names and whatever the image and whatever you can set, it will post to that user. It is visible, right? Perfect.
Yeah, great.
It's, yeah, thank you. Yeah, actually, yeah, this is my first session, so this is difficult for me. Yeah. So this is a like what we can write the JSON and it will convert the UI page, right? And this is a we need to find out, like Microsoft support the where we need to host, like we can host in the Teams and other options, and it will copy the card and it will give the our whatever the code it is generated by Microsoft. We can use that code, and this is the channels like this is a flow. I will create the I will make the demo for that, but this is a Microsoft Power Automate provide the postcard in the chat or channel action available. So once you have a JSON code and you can use the select whatever the post where you need to post your chat, you can configure your channel everything, and then you can post your code over there. So it will post that JSON object as a UI in the your channel. So this is my first case. There is a one required from our client. Actually, they are construction company and they have a remote sites. And so every morning they send the sales teams to their field team today's weather details. They have their inbuilt API, so it will fire that and collect the weather about the if something is storming coming or nothing. But that API I will not have access, so I just make a weather like today's what is temperature over there and post to the that user. So this is a flow I have created. Yeah. So how I can go resize this? I need to show the demo. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So I am just going to the Power Automate. This is I created already, and I am going to the create. So this is the adaptive card site over here. And once you go the sample, it will give a lots of sample over here, and you can create our own also. So I am just going to for the weather. So this is my compact weather. This is sample available, and over there they provide the try yourself over here. So you can just click over here, and it will give the your weather. I mean, we can change our state and everything, but so this is level. And as I mentioned, there are host applications. So we need to identify where we need to host this app. So based on that, it will give the change the automatically change. Suppose I am going to Microsoft Team and I want to make a light or dark, whatever we need to take. So so now it will generate the all the I mean JSON component over here. You know, I mean this one. Like this is static. So what we need to copy. We need to go on the flow. So there is a one flow available. I will create a new also. This I will just explain over here. So generally, I just created for manual trigger for this demo purpose. And for that, we need to get the current weather location. There is a action available. We need to pass our address. So it will address of the, and in this is a postcard in chat action available. We can send the recipients over here. Like I for the demo purpose, I am sending the who trigger the flow that email I will find, and this will change like we need to set our state and the time step and the temperature dynamically from this above weather API. So this is a simple demo I am just going to make. So I am going over here and I create a one flow, instant flow over here. Now I need a weather details over here. We just get current weather. It will give the weather hour. And I need the location to dynamic. I mean whatever the so it is my full address. So boom full address like as a so who trigger the flow and we need to full address of that person over here, right? And now I have a weather look detail with me, and I need to post in the Teams. We can post this in the any group of the chat. I mean any channel, any group or individual also. So I am going to send it to my personal. So postcard in chat. This is available action available for the Teams. There are lots of Teams action available. We can select this one. Now how we need to post. So we need to like post some design. So we use the flowchart. There are some other also, but we can use the Power Virtual Agent or whatever Power Apps. But we are using Power Flow over here. And we need to in post this in chat in individual repository. If we need to this post in our any Teams or any channel, then we need to select as per that. And whom I need to use. So currently I am using the flow which user who fired the flow. So I am using the email address of that person. and this is the adaptive card. Here we need to take this code. Suppose there is a copy and play card available. So I am just pick copy over here and paste over here. But now we need to change something like this is a 46 temperature, the fixed temperature. But I need to this temperature dynamically. So suppose I am going, we can change like a state over here and the time spent and the temperature. So time spent, I am just first I select my location over here. So this is a state property of the from the who is selected who fire the display. Sorry, something wrong. Here I need to pass my state. I pass the state over here. Here I want to time because this is static for November, but I need to time what everyday time. So I put time spent over here, and this is the temperature. This temperature I got from the this weather API. So I pass this one. And yeah, I'm not changing the another action like a high temperature. In my our scenario, we have a API from the client, so it will give the all the prediction and everything. But here I will just make simple over here. So I am saving this one. Take some time. And I'm going to run manually over here. Actually, in basic scenario, we can take the schedule flow and we fire every morning at the 6 o'clock. But here for the demo, I just manually run over here. It will take the connection of these two tricks, so I just allow them. Please run. I am going to my team. I just received the card over here. Yeah, one more thing. One more thing. Currently, the code which I take it is 1.5 version, but the 1.15 is not working. So we need to check is a 1.4 version because I facing some issues in the client. So I need to take again this course again. Making sure this is a 1.4 and I am copying this again. For 1.5, it's not work any other card also. Not sure what is the reason, but there is I facing lots of time. I'm just changing again. So I need to pass my state over here. I need to spend the timestamp over here. And I need to pass the temperature over here, which is from my just saving again. And I am going to taste again over here. Yeah, so this is comes. I am from Gujarat. Here the 85 temperature and today's date. We can set like a high temperature, low temperatures, and most of whatever the week, but this is dynamically I set over here. So this is a simple, demo as per the business requirement. We have lots of over here, but this is a simple demo. So that is on my side. Yeah, there is another requirement like we have we can send a birthday card to team. So we can create our custom adaptive card also. So I am going to show how we can create our custom birthday card. Whatever message we need, we can check over there. So for that, we need to go over here, and there is an option. This is a designer studio. This is their websites. And this is the designer studio. We can design over here like a Power Apps. We have a designer studio. Same way we have a designer studio over here. So I am going to create a new card over here, and let's take a blank over here. So in this, we need to identify what we need to post. Suppose there is another card which I use for this my team, HR team, and I post a happy birthday message, my name, and this is the image. Actually, due to some reason, image is not coming over here, but you can customize your card how you want. So for that, suppose I want to this text box, this is my name and everything. So you can do that. Suppose I am going to, as per we need to set the host tab over here. So we are going to host this card in team. Once you create a new card, it will render the whatever the adaptive card JSONs and everything, it will fire over here. Make sure this is a 1.4, otherwise it will give the same issues. And it is a type of adaptive cards, and this is JSON. Suppose I need to edit one text box, so I can pick this text box over here and put over here. And I am writing to happy birthday over here. And whatever property we can set over here, like heights, color. Suppose I am going to color accent color, so it will change the color. I can set the size, medium. I can as a default, or I can set the property, whatever we can set it. And it's a large. Then suppose you want to make a one image over here, so you can post image over here. Same process, you can copy this code and create the flow, the same process, but the same action, post card in the channel or team, and you can modify the birthday. This is birthday text or what. Suppose I am going to add a new user text box over here. So just I make the namespace over here for that username. Suppose you want to make a two columns over here. There is a column set available. So if you click on the column set over here, it will give the column set. Suppose you can divide the two column over here. Suppose one column and another column. So you can create two columns over here. Suppose in one column you need to make an image, and another column you make to some message. So whatever your requirement, you can design this card, and as per whenever you add any control over here, the code automatically change over here. Like I had a 2-column set, so it will automatically comes. The person who was not coming from the any development side can use this, just drag and drop. Don't need to write a JSON understanding anything. It will automatically create everything. We can set like a different property over here. Suppose stress to, make automatically with set. We can set over here. So yeah, this is a, I have done, and I am going to the flow which I already created some per this. So let's create, going to show this. There is a birthday card flow I have created. In that case also, first we need to take a data from the group, because I in this case I need a data. I need to post the card to the HR HR team. So first we need to pick the HR team. It will fetch out all the members. Then I need to make a user profile, because I need a name of the user with today's birthday. So I need to user profiles all the people who are under the HRs. Once the user profile I get, I need to check the birthday, if today is birthday or not. Today is that person birthday or not. If that today is that person birthday available, then we can use the postcard in the chat group. If we need to get a post a photo, or we can get the photo, whatever they do. And this is the same adaptive card which we get here. The display name is dynamically. We can dynamic details of the usernames, and whatever you can dynamically find the image also. So that is also possible. I am just saving it. I already set my birthday today. Today's birthday in my user profile. So I can test over here. So it is posted just 1 minute before. I am facing the issue getting this image, my profile. I have set one image, a cake image, but it is not render over here. So I'm not sure what the issue. Yeah, so this is some small presentation from my side. This is the steps. I will share this PPT to you. For understanding the steps. Have you any question on that in 2 demos?